This vehicle has successfully passed a rigorous 128-point AA inspection and has been HPI checked. It comes with a fresh service, one owner, and new MOT. We're also offering a complimentary 6-month commercial warranty, 12-month basic AA breakdown cover. The vehicle just had a fresh service, 2 owners from new, comes with 2 keys, mileage is warranted, 6 seats, rear 3-point socket electrical outlet installed for camping, perimeter, anti-theft system, auto headlamps, cruise control and speed limiter, Apple and Android Carplay, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, dual power, heated auto fold mirror, Ptc heater, front and rear, parking aid, halogen projector headlamps, heated front seats and windscreen, Sync 3, multimedia, leather steering wheel, and much more. Full spec list available. If you'd like to see it in person and take it for a test drive, come visit us at Supreno Cars, 404 Staines Road West, Ashford, Surrey, TW151RZ.